Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about VS Code's code navigation. VS Code is a high productivity code editor which, when combined with programming language services, gives you the power of an IDE and the speed of a text editor. You can open any file with Control or Command P. Let me type the name of the file here, main.js. This main.js is just for the sake of this tutorial and nothing fancy in it. Let me open a couple more from Explorer. This copy 3 and copy 2. Let me close it. Now if you hold Ctrl and press Tab, you see a list of files opened in an editor group. To open one of these files, use Tab again to pick a file you want to navigate to and then release Ctrl to open it. This bar on the top is breadcrumbs. It shows current location and allows you to quickly navigate between these folders. And symbols used in this file. The symbols shown here are the same as here in this outline. Or go menu, go to symbol in editor. The hotkey is Control or Command Shift O. You can click on any one of them and it takes you right there. Let me close it now. You can go to the definition of this method by right-clicking on it. Go to definition. The hotkey is F12 and it takes you there. Moreover, you can also experiment yourself. Couple more commands here. Let's say go to type definition, go to implementation, and one of the most important is peak definition, and the hotkey is Alt F12, and the result is embedded inline. Let me close it. Now you hover over on this method, a preview of the declaration appears, and the information comes from this file. It's very handy. You can also jump to the declaration with the hotkey Control or Command. Click on this method, or you can open the definition to the side with Control or Command Alt. Click. Let me close it for now. Matching braces are highlighted as soon as you bring the cursor closer to one of them. Click here and these matching braces are highlighted. Click here or here and these matching braces are highlighted. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.